For this Gpower example, I want to show you how we can use this program to determine the number of participants that we would need for ANOVA designs when planning a study. So this example is one of the first analysis that we ran this semester. And if you recall, we were looking to do a one-way ANOVA to compare differing levels of fathers' education by their mean math achievement scores to determine if, in fact, students' mean math achievement score differed by the level of education of their fathers. And we can see that the father's education revised factor was significant. The partial eta square was 0.18, indicating that 18% of the variance in math achievement scores was due to group differences, which is a large effect, and that the power was 0.95. If we look at our effect size table, there are times when we want to detect a smaller effect or a minimum effect with the idea that we hope to pick up a larger effect. So in this case, what if we were doing that same study with father's education, comparing math achievement means across those three groups, and we wanted to pick up a minimum effect size of 0.06 with the hope of picking up a larger effect? Well, we can use Gpower to determine that. So in this case, we're going to be in the F-test family, and we're going to go to ANOVA, Fixed Effects, Omnibus One Way, and we're going to make sure we're in the a priori power analysis. Now, in terms of information, we want our power to be at least 0.80. We want our error or probability to be 0.05, and we know that we have three groups of father's education. Now, this effect size F is a term that we have not come across. We've been using the effect size partial eta square. Now, there is a calculation that's not that difficult to do that you could do to calculate F, but you don't need to do it because Gpower will do it for you. You can click on Determine, and we can then toggle to the effect size from Variance, and we can click on Direct. And so the effect size that we want to determine, we want to pick up at least at a minimum is 0.06. And so then we can calculate and transfer to the main window. And so what Gpower does is it calculates that F based on a effect size or a partial eta square of 0.06, and it puts it in the window for us. And then we can close this drawer. Then we can click on Calculate, and so to obtain a power of 0.80 to detect an effect size of 0.06, which converted to an effect size of F is 0.25. We need 156 individuals across all three groups, or we need a minimum of 52 individuals per group.